Bob Ringwood was the designer. He did the illustrations and worked with a couple of illustrators upstairs and gave us a really good idea of what he wanted it to look like. We just had to make that, interpret it into a 3D. Dave Murch was from England, was on the other show, and he dresses, so he has the whole mindset of how is this going to work as dressing on a daily basis, how is this going to work on a stunt guy, and I'm more of an engineer.
Everyone wants the cape to articulate. They want to see it blowing in the breeze. Everyone says, how do we make the suit with the cape blow in the breeze? And that's very difficult to do that with flat latex. You'd have to have more than a fan to do that.
We took what had been done for the original one and looked at it. It was originally a corset that was underneath a really hard foam suit. And we wanted to make something sleeker and something closer fitting to the body, and also something that where the hood came down, it integrated into the cape, so you couldn't really see where it ended and disappeared. It was a pretty big leap from to the Val Kilmer from the original Michael Keaton costume. We also engineered a bunch of different kinds of costumes, like one for sitting in the car so that he didn't have to wear everything to just do the close-ups. We put ventilation in the back of the suits if the back part wasn't going to be seen, so that he could be cooler. And then we had to do boots with lead plates in the soles so that the feet would sink when they were in the water, because otherwise they just bob like a cork.
Nobody enjoyed wearing them, quite honestly, because in what's to enjoy, and what actor really wants to be covered up completely and only show his eyes and his mouth? Nobody that I know.
Val Kilmer had a much more statuesque figure. That was his biggest contribution for us. It just